Hello everyone, I hope you all are taking care of yourself. Today we are going to study one activity, burning of magnesium ribbon. In this activity we will try to prove that when metal reacts with oxygen, metal oxides are formed, and we will also try to learn about the nature of this oxide. The aim of our activity is to study the reaction of metals with oxygen and find out the nature of the product formed. Let us see what are the materials required. We need a burner. This is a burner. A magnesium strip. Then we need pair of tongs to hold the strip over fire. We need matchbox, beaker with water, china dish, or we can also take a watch glass, and litmus paper to check the nature of the product, whether it is acidic or basic. Procedure, the method that we are going to follow. First of all, we need to clean the magnesium strip with a sandpaper. Then hold a piece of magnesium ribbon with a pair of tongs and heat it over a flame of burner till it starts burning with a dazzling white flame. Let us see how it happens. We are holding a piece of magnesium strip with a pair of tongs, and over the fire it burns with a white colored dazzling flame, bright flame, shining flame. Now a residue, magnesium oxide, is formed. The reaction between magnesium and oxygen forms magnesium oxide, which is a white colored powder. We can collect this in a watch glass or china dish. Here like this it can be collected. Magnesium oxide is MgO. It's a white colored powder. Now we need to transfer it to a beaker which we have already taken with water and mix this with the water properly. Then we'll check it with the red litmus paper. We'll check the nature of the product formed with red litmus paper. You can see that the red litmus paper turns blue. And what does this indicate? That it is basic in nature. The product which is formed after burning magnesium with oxygen is basic in nature. Magnesium oxide is basic in nature because red litmus turns blue with the base. Observation: red litmus turns blue, indicating that the solution is basic. And conclusion. Finally, what do we conclude from this activity? Reaction of metal with oxygen forms metal oxides. Magnesium with oxygen forms magnesium oxide, and metal oxides are basic in nature. Magnesium oxide is basic in nature. Let us see the chemical reactions. Magnesium plus oxygen gives us magnesium oxide. That was the white colored powder. That is, metal plus oxygen gives metal oxide. This is the general reaction for metals. Then magnesium oxide when dissolved in water gives magnesium hydroxide. And we tested this with litmus paper, and the litmus paper turned blue. Red litmus paper turned blue, indicating that this was a basic solution. So children, this was the activity of burning of magnesium ribbon. I hope you must have understood. Thank you.